Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG and then they sent me the Corel file. If you ever need help, send me your Corel file because this is a JPEG and I was going to have to recreate it and the key's different. And if I understand them correctly, the R is on top of the car and the S is in the key and they're going to print on a black t-shirt and they want that separation. There's two trains of thought on the R, but you can't really make the R bigger. So we're not going to mess with the R. We're going to mess with the car and the key. Now, I am going to go in and take the key in locksmith and just move it out of the way. And then I'm going to go and, you know what, I can take the car out of the way. Okay, there's something hidden. I'm just going to take the car out of the way for a second. Because I would just want to work with this right here. So I'm going to, and normally I would make a copy, and I'm going to make a copy and just move it over. I'm going to select both those items, and I'm going to left click, right click. And thankfully it's ungrouped. So I'm going to nudge that over, and as part of that, so I'm going to go to object and break the car icon apart and grab the center. Because I just want the outside. Now I'm going to take that and see how it's going to go into the S. I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.06 and they can change that, make it more, make it less. I'm going to go ahead and break the contour apart. And, it really doesn't matter. I can just move it over and I'll remove that red line in a second. Now we're going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to take and get the eyedropper and fill in from that car and fill in my S. And see, that took away that line. Now I can take away the red line and actually take away just several ways you could do it. We're going to take away that line of that car or that S. I'm going to right click, no outline. Well, it doesn't work all the time with the Smart Fill tool. So I'm just going to, I got to go to object and break the R and S apart, take that away, move that back. And then I can take the Smart Fill tool. It's still set on the same color. Now, I don't know if they want that key separated, but I think it would kind of go along with the plan. And then I didn't really look at the car, but I just filled in the other parts with the same color. And then I'm going to take all this and I'm going to right click, no outline. Now, the car itself, I could contour the R, but I really need to contour the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of that car and nudge it over. And I'm going to left click, right click. And there's several trains of thought on this, but I'm just going to go and do the same thing. I'll get some interior contours, as you can see. But if I go to effects and break the contour apart and get the outside and just move it, then go up to object and break the curve apart. And then I can take my car and move it over to where the R is and just delete all this stuff. And see, by that, I can keep my car color. That's all I need. And what I'm going to do is just take my Smart Fill tool and fill in that R, get rid of this, click on the line and right click, no outline. And then I can move my car up and move my key and locksmith name up. I did take the phone number out of the graphic just so nobody'd be calling them. Now, if you wanted the key, I think because we have separation, I think you'd want the separation. But if you didn't want the separation, you could very easily left click, right click, and make it all one piece. I think it really would add to it and just take those two and just move them up, take your virtual segment delete key, and there must be two copies of that key there. and just delete that one and take your Smart Fill tool or virtual segment delete key and delete that, and then just get your Smart Fill tool back and fill that in, and then it's all one piece. But I really think it looks better with it like it was, kind of give it some separation like the other parts. And I think it looks pretty close to what they had. And the good thing about it, you could take a black, like if you're going to print it on a black t-shirt, object order, back a page, and then that way you can see that there's nothing there. So the black shirt will show through. And see, by doing it the way they did this, they just cut the R off. The way I just did it, it's kind of contouring the car. Anyway, I hope that helped that person, and thank you for watching.